Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Phemex Exchange, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Phemex website in your preferred web browser. Locate the sign up button on the home page and click on it. Fill in the required details, including your email address and a strong password. Be sure to read and accept the terms of service before proceeding. Click the Create Account button to submit your registration. Next, check your email for a verification link from Phemex. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Phemex login page. Enter your email and password to log into your new account. After logging in, set up two-factor authentication for added security. You can choose to use an authenticator app or SMS-based verification. Select your preferred method and follow the prompts to enable it. Next, you'll want to fund your account. Navigate to the Assets or Deposit section on the dashboard. Here, you can choose to deposit cryptocurrency or fiat currency. If depositing cryptocurrency, select your desired crypto and copy the wallet address provided. Transfer the desired amount from your external wallet to the Phemex wallet address. If depositing fiat currency, follow the instructions for bank transfers or card payments. Once your funds are deposited, return to the dashboard. Now, familiarize yourself with the trading interface. Explore the market section to view available trading pairs. Select a trading pair that interests you. You'll find options to buy or sell based on your strategy. Input your desired amount and review your order carefully. Once satisfied, click the Buy or Sell button to execute your trade. Monitor your portfolio to track your investments. Explore additional features such as staking or futures trading as you gain confidence. Always ensure to follow best practices for security and risk management. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.